Hello, guys! We are now here at the University of the Philippines, Diliman campus here in Quezon City at maglalakad-lakad kami. We are with Baski.
Baski, say hi.
Baski! Mahal, that is Palma Hall right now. Okay? Okay, so let's take a walk.
Saan tayo?
You can park here, supposedly on a regular day, here at the CSSP parking. This is in front of Palma Hall. Kaso today, since yesterday, there was a Pride March. I think they closed it. May Pride happenings yesterday, June 27.
Ayan, bata.
So, kaya nakasarado ngayon itong CSSP parking. Hindi na nakakatuwa dyan sa CSSP parking. Sometimes, may mga nag-badminton or right now may nag-volleyball. Street foods, balot, or peno yan, peno. Taho. Yeah.
Baski.
Lots of merienda. No, Baski.
Good boy.
Good boy. Lagot ka mamaya. Tulog ka. Pauwi. Mapang-away kasi ito ng pusa eh. Hindi mo siya inaano. So, pag mga ganyan, buhat mo na siya. Tingin. Patingin nito.
Sure thing. This one? This one.
Ito.
Here.
Wait.
There's other flower here.
Flower. Ito na lang.
Do you want me to get it?
Okay. 99?
This one is 120. This
120. Okay, sige. May 20 yata ako dito.
It's so cute. So cute.
Taho muna siya. Soya bean curd. How is it? This part, guys, you can see there are already street foods. So, dito kay Kuya, yes, taho. And banana Q. I think meron siyang banana Q. Tsaka turon. Then, kaya nga, bubuhatin ko to. Dun sa kabila, meron silang mga kwek-kwek, fishball, ganyan, sweet ball. Sa bag. Naisip ko na rin yun eh.
Cute.
Cute to? Hello! 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 Ganda talaga ng mga puno dito sa UP. Look. This is the reason why lots of people really love walking around or jogging here in UP Diliman because you've got so many trees around, really shady, daming open space. We need more of this.
Masarap ano.
We really need more of this.
Maglatag.
Baski, come, come. Balik.
Kalabahan ka rin para sa kanya. Galing naman tumakbo yung bata niya.
Galing-galing. Akin na to. Good boy. Hmm.
Ganda ng puno.
Hi, baby.
Oble. Road. Mahal yan. Minimum 18,000. 15, ganyan. Yung mga ganyang kalaki, mga nasa 20. Wow, yan guys. We're gonna eat lang merienda. So, marami dito ng ganito. Maraming dito street food sa UP.
Dalawang stick ng kwek-kwek. Ano pa?
Hey, ginutom na ako, pagod na ako. Pagod na rin to si Baski. Oh. May kinakainan kami talaga dito, malapit din sa football field, sa may oval. Pero di na namin kaya maglakad papunta doon. We are so tired. Sobrang pinagpapawisan na ako. Look at that. Sweet sauce lang yan, love, no?
Apa.
Sarap. Professor Pasado. Good. Mm. Really good. Ang sarap. Maanghanga.
Angang.
Pero okay, masarap. Hindi man sina ate, oh. Tingnan mo. Yung mga after mag-jogging, mag-walking, yan. Bili sila dito. Again, this is on G. Apasible Street. Mga nag-aral dyan dito sa UP Diliman or those who are frequently visiting UP Diliman. Anong namimiss niyong best moments or most memorable experience na dito sa UP? Comment below. Ang sarap. Panalo. Oo. That's what I'm talking about. Lemon yung Coke. And just like that, we're done. Okay, so si Baski nasa likod. Pagod na pagod din siya.
Pagod pero masaya.
Yes, pagod pero masaya siya for sure. He was able to smell, sniff millions of scents dito sa UP Diliman. Gustong-gusto niya yung damuhan, yung soil, ganyan. Pinatakbo ko rin siya kanina. Was
Without
able
the
to.
leash.
Without the leash. Pero syempre, di tayo sure kung saan siya pupunta, so I had to follow him. So again, if you're looking for for an open space here in Metro Manila for you to take a walk or to jog, UPD is the best place to go. Of course, syempre, we wish that there are more open spaces here in Metro Manila. Yung maraming puno, talaga may jogging path. Usually lang kasi yung mga ganitong klaseng lugar matatagpuan mo sa mga mall. Sa mga mall, yung mga private developer, ganyan. But we really need more open spaces that are really open to the public, just like this one. So, yun.
Sweet ha?
Good boy.
Gusto mo pang water? Thank you for watching.
See you in the next one.